Teens 4, welcome to your class. How are you? Fine? Well, this is video number 3, yes, our third class of Teens 4. Today we're going to start with Unit 2. Yes, in the previous 2 weeks we worked with Unit 1. Today we start Unit 2. And Unit 2 deals with the present perfect. The present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. So, you know that the present perfect links, connects the past and the present. We speak of something that started in the past and continues in the present, or started in the past and has a result in the present. Yes, that is the present perfect. For example, if next video I am with my hair like this, I'm going to tell you I have cut my hair. Yes, it has a consequence because it's a visible consequence. Well, here I prepared like a summary or a chart to compare the present perfect simple with the present perfect continuous. The present perfect simple is the one that we form with the person, the subject, yes, the person, have her hands on the past participle. Like, I have lived in Berazategui for 10 years. That is the present perfect simple. The present perfect continuous is the one that we make with the person, the subject, have or has been and the verb in the ing form. I have been working a lot. I have been working a lot, for example. So, what is the difference? When do we use one? When do we use the other? In some cases, it's the same to use one or the other. But here we're going to focus in the cases in which we have to decide on only one. Okay? So I wrote pairs of sentences to show you the differences. Imagine I tell you, I have written 10 letters. And here, I've been writing letters all morning. So, the sentences are very similar. However, the difference is that with the present perfect continuous, we focus on the action. The important thing is that I've been writing letters all morning. I've been writing letters, I'm writing and writing. That is what I am focusing on. Whereas, in the present perfect simple, I focus on the result. On the 10 letters that I finished writing. Here I focus on the action, I've been writing letters, and here I focus on the result. I've written 10 letters. Okay? So I can't use the present perfect continuous with the 10 letters, for example. I can't say 10 letters here. Here I only focus on the action, and here I focus on the result. And the other difference is Fran has painted the room. And here, Fran has been painting the room. So, it's very similar, but it's not the same. If I tell you Fran has painted the room, I give the idea of completeness. Fran has painted the room, it means, do you like it? Fran has painted the room, it's done, it's finished. But if I tell you Fran has been painting the room, I focus on the idea that he hasn't finished yet. He has been painting the room, but he has to continue. Okay, do you understand the differences? So they are very similar, however, there are differences. Okay. So using this explanation, I uploaded, yes, in the classroom, we uploaded some material to work with this. So this is from the book, yes. So there are some exercises to work with present perfect simple and continuous and with for and since. Remember for and since, we use for a period of time. For example, I have studied Portuguese for 3 years. For 3 years. I focus on the period of time. Or I can say, I have studied Portuguese since December. So I use since with a point of time in the past. Okay, so there you have an exercise to work with for and since. And I uploaded here another page with exercises to work on the differences between present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. If you can't print the page, you do it in a different sheet of paper and then we paste it in a notebook. Okay? And if you could print the pages, you write directly on them. Right? So I think it's not going to be hard. Sometimes the difference is not so clear because they are very similar, but you can do it. I know you can do it, okay? Well, and the second part of the class has to do with vocabulary, okay? So it's from the book, for the people who have the book, we are going to work with the vocabulary that you have on page 22. Yes, page 22. But in case you don't have the book, we have uploaded the page here. Yes, this page that says personal development deals with the vocabulary that we are going to work with now. Okay. So here we have some phrases with get. Phrases with get. You know that get in English is one of the most used verbs and one of the verbs that has the most meanings. So we're going to see a lot of phrases with get, each of which has a different meaning. So let's try to do some part together so then you can continue working alone. So here we have a text, and in the text there are some phrases in blue. We have to match those phrases in blue with the definitions here. Okay, so the first one is benefit from. Here, play pause and read the leaflet so you have an idea of what I'm talking about, okay? And then play it again. So the first one, it says benefit from. Benefit from is also said get a lot out of. Get a lot out of. Yeah, so here it says in the text that most students get a lot out of the year. They benefit from the year. The other is become accustomed to. Become accustomed to. Which one did you write? Yes, get used to. Yes, get used to is become accustomed. Contact. Yes, get in touch with. Get in touch with, great. Be part of. Be part of. Be part of. Which one did you write? Get, yes, get involved with, very good. Next one is prepare. Get ready, become interested in. Become interested in. Get into, very good. Have the opportunity. Get the chance, very good. Learn more about something. Get involved with. And meet in order to do something. Get together with. Very good. Okay? Well, so these phrases, which are very useful and you are going to be asked to use them in the future, are practiced in these exercises I uploaded for you. Okay, so there are two exercises where you have to put into practice this vocabulary. Okay? Well, so together, difference between present perfect simple and continuous and phrases with get. Okay? Next time we're going to combine the present perfect simple and continuous with the simple past. That's more complicated than what we leave it for next week, okay? Well, Teens 4, I hope you can do it, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.